Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make an arepa. I think I said that right. It's arepa, not arepa, which is how I usually say it. What is that? It's like a flat corn disc, very popular in South America, like Colombia, where my wife's from. It's like toast. It's way more common than toast here in Canada or the US. But I've asked some of my friends and never even heard of it. It's just so common there, and they're great. They taste great, and you're trying to get meal ideas every day. How do you get your protein in? You got your egg salad, you got your tuna, you get your shredded beef, whatever. You put that in. You end up putting that up on a bread, right? This is the alternative to that. It tastes great. So let me just show you how to make this. Right? So you can buy this stuff in probably every grocery store. It's just white corn flour. The mix is 1-to-1. Okay, on the package it actually says 2.5 cups water to 2 cups. So I just go 1 cup, 1 cup, or 2, and then if you need to add a bit more water, it's easy to sprinkle some in after that. That's it. Okay, perfect. I'm going to dump that in and just mix it up with your hand. Okay, it's coming around. So take a look at that. Just squish it up. It mixes up really easily. It's coming along right now. I feel like that's about the right consistency. And you can be creative with it. What else do we put on? It's called 𝗀𝗏. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. It's tomato and onion, and a little bit of probably some olive oil mixed together. You put that on top, or some butter, some salt, maybe some quesito, a little bit of cheese, right? You can be creative. I like peanut butter on it, but then that does not go over well, right? They don't like putting peanut butter and jam on that. Not how it's supposed to be, but it can work. I don't know how much to take here. Let's just start with that. This is going to be, what you want to do is take more than you need. And you get some saran wrap. I think I just cut my finger on that. You think we'd be able to come up with a better system for this. Okay, so pull off one sheet, put it down, and put that on top, and another. So you just want to sandwich it, and we're going to reuse this because I'm not sure how many we're going to be able to make here, but maybe 4. Let's see. So open it up flat. Hopefully you can see that. I don't have a 2-camera system going on here, but you're just sandwiching it in between. So that's it. We got it in between the saran wrap there, plastic wrap, and you roll it out. You're not trying to get paper thin here. How thick would I say? Maybe about 1/4 inch. Use metric or imperial. This much, okay? So that's pretty good. Then you take a pot lid. That's what we're using. Anything that's around this shape. This pot lid is perfect size. Push down. Give a little turn. Okay. Now you take off the top layer. We're going to use that again. Just flip it over here. Okay. And okay. Nice and perfect. So there's one. Looks good. And we'll see how many I can make now. One of the benefits is not just to mix it up. This is giving you a whole new food sensation to try. It doesn't cost a lot. Again, I'll check how much this bag costs, but you saw how much I used and how much we're getting. It doesn't cost a lot. Now guys, I want to show you how to cook it. That's it. Just put it in a pan, heat it, flip it, toast it both sides. This is actually what they use in Colombia. We have them here. Just put it over the top of your stove and you toast it like that. But this doesn't work for us because it's a convection oven, so that'll also work. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'll try and come up with a lot more tips and recipes for you soon.